Okay, so here's the POF Revolution, and if I'm going to use this as a dedicated weapon sight, I usually mount it a little further forward. Since it's a clip-on, it doesn't have the normal focusable ocular lens, and the eye relief is quite long, so I mount this sight way forward on the receiver when I'm using it as a dedicated weapon sight. And you can see I've got markings for... Okay, this is Sean Cody at TexasGunTrust.com. I'm still working with the Trijicon Snipe-IR clip-on, and we're going to switch it from clip-on mode, which you've got here, and let's take it back out. So you can see it says clip-on mode, and we're going to go ahead and switch it in. So system menu, sight again. Go up. There you go. So now we are in dedicated mode. So I've bore sighted the target. So I'm going to move the reticle where I want it. And if we were actually at the range sighting it in, I would shoot it, and then making sure that this reticle is at the same point of aim, I would hopefully not be too far off, and then I would shoot again. And you can see you lose the reticle there, and it says if sight unsuccessful, press button. And I think I just canceled that out. There, you gotta love it. Anyway, so that's the sight in process. So go to sight in, pull the joystick back. There's your reticle, so make sure you're at the same point of aim. And then you would move this to the point of impact, shoot it, and you should be pretty close, and get back on your point of aim. And at that point, you sighted in. Now you've got a Trijicon Snipe-IR that's zeroed for a second weapon as a dedicated weapon sight. And then when you want to go back and use it as a clip-on, go back to the sighting in and just move it over, and then go all the way. Oops, went one too far. There we go. Now we're back in clip-on mode. So you can put this in front of the day optic that you zeroed the sight for, and then when you want to switch it over and use it as a standalone, you go back into the sight-in menu and you use the thumbstick up, and that puts you into the dedicated mode. And of course, then you just have to be careful to work your way out. See, it says dedicated mode in the screen there. And then when you want to go back, thumbstick up, and there we go. So again, here we are, we're in clip-on mode, and now we can be, so here we are, we're in clip-on mode. You want to put it on your rifle where your second rifle where you're going to use it as a standalone sight. Go to system menu, go up to sighting in, and use the thumbstick up, and that gets you into dedicated sight mode. And you got to be careful not to move that reticle, and you just click through until you get out, and now you're ready to use it. So that is the zero of the weapon sight in dedicated mode. Thanks for watching.